Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook eggplant fried rice. This recipe is easy and the fried rice is so delicious. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to add some spring onions into the food grinder. Also some small red chilies, some garlic, and a piece of pork belly. Mix everything. Now prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the things we prepared just now into the pan. Stir fry until the meat is cooked. Now cut some eggplant into dices. Add the eggplant into the pan. Stir fry until the eggplant becomes soft. Then add the rice into the pan. Stir fry to warm up the rice. Then add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. In the end, chop some scallions and add them into the pan. Mix again and turn off the heat. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.